latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The relationship between India and the United States took about 6 decades to discover itself, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said. But having done so, it is making up for the lost time, he added. The External Affairs Minister elaborated on the significance of the fast expanding ties between the two leading democracies. During an interactive session, he said President Donald Trump, Barack Obama, George Washington Bush and Bill Clinton were on the same page on the importance of India. He also said that Trump and his 3 predecessors were on the same page regarding the need for strengthening bilateral relationship. Think back at the last 4 US presidents: Donald Trump, Barack Obama, George Washington Bush and Bill Clinton. I'm sure you will agree with me that you cannot find 4 people in the world less similar to each other, and yet the one thing on which actually all 4 of them have agreed on is the importance of India and the need to strengthen the relationship. He said this when asked about the bipartisan support in the United States over its ties with India. It is a relationship, I would say, which took about 6 decades to discover itself, but having done so, it is making up for lost time. The External Affairs Minister also spoke about other factors playing a role in strategic relationship. I see this certainly as one of our key relationships, but I expect it is a relationship which will become more important even in the American calculus of the world. S. Jaishankar called the Indo-US relationship very diverse. He also said that it is bound by certain values and understanding of each other's societies. I would say somewhere values do matter. Indians and Americans today have a better understanding of each other's society and therefore a much closer appreciation. They sort of feel for each other in a way in which many countries perhaps do not do. It is not just for the administration of the day though, obviously this is critical. I think we have a very strong, very diverse relationship across the American polity, especially in the American Congress. He said that the relationship between the 2 countries grew stronger in the last 2 decades. The External Affairs Minister also spoke about the ties between India and Australia. He said that there are strong structural and policy reasons why the 2 countries are expanding cooperation. There is a sense today in India and in Australia that look, it is very important if the larger region is to be more secure, more stable and more predictable to work on the lines with which we will be comfortable, then countries like India and Australia need to come together. The minister also spoke about weakening multilateralism as well as greater multipolarity in the world today.